Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Fun Chinese and Learn Chinese. My name is Teacher Li Long. You can call me Laoshi Long. In this YouTube channel, you are going to learn Mandarin in the simplest way that is possible by the help of bitmoji, animation and many more interesting stories. So stay tuned if you want to learn Chinese by the help of YouTube videos. If you want to, then stay tuned with me through this channel and I will make sure that you will learn Chinese in the simplest manner. I request you all, before I start this video, make sure you are subscribing my channel and hitting the like button and share this video. Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Teacher Li Long and thanks all to keep on watching my YouTube videos. And today our topic is common Chinese conversations, which will help you to talk with Chinese or native Chinese people in daily routine. 你好，你好。你是英国人吗？是的。你来自哪里？伦敦。很高兴认识你，我也是。Lesson 2. Do you speak Chinese? 你会说汉语吗？你会说汉语吗？请问你是美国人吗？不是。你会说汉语吗？会，但是说的不太好。你在这里多久了？2年了。你说什么工作？我是学生，你呢？我是老师。